Someone asked, how can I fix the scratches on my PS3? Well, you can start with Novus 2 Fine Scratch Remover. This only works on glossy or clear plastic. Don't do this over paint or matte plastic finish. Notice I only polish the glossy side of my PS4. I don't polish the matte plastic side. It will scratch it. This is what you need. Novus 2 Fine Scratch Remover, which is a polished cream, a clean cotton cloth, make sure to shake well, and polish in a circular motion. Lots of elbow grease. This will not completely remove all the scratches depending on how deep they are. But if you compare the start of the video to the end of the video, the results are obvious. To take out the deeper scratches, you'll need to get a higher Novus like 3 or 4. But 2 probably will be enough. Just keep polishing until the scratches are mostly gone. It will look pretty good from far regardless. You can keep doing this over and over until the scratches are gone. Just keep adding more Novus, polish, clean it, and then if you're happy, you're done. I really recommend this, and thanks for watching. As you can see, all the fine scratches are gone, and it looks a lot better. Not perfect, but better. And from far away, it looks pretty decent. So I highly recommend using Novus 2 to get your fine scratches off your consoles. But remember, only on plastic. Never do this over paint or a matte finish. It will scratch it. Thanks for checking this out. Have a good one, guys. See ya.